Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing an eye tutorial. So do well to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. With no further ado, let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by priming my eye with the Pond's Oil Lasting Primer because I put this much oil in my eyebrow area. I then go on by lining my eyebrow with David's number 18 eye pencil. Then I fill it in from the inner corner. To clean my lower brow, I'm using the EYESHADOW Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. So this is for beginners. If you're a beginner, you should use little products when you are lining your lower brow, when you are lining your brow, so that you're able to blend it in later. So I take my time doing this. After that, I blend it in with my middle finger. And for my upper brow, to clean my upper brow, I'm using my foundation, which is Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I don't know what's wrong with me today. And as I said before, blend it in so that when you apply foundation later, it won't give you that much trouble. So for the purpose of today's video, which is the eyeshadow blending, I'm starting off by using the EYESHADOW Pro Conceal in the shade Almond to line as my eyeshadow base. And I'll blend it in by using my Damn Beauty blender. So since I didn't want any patches or anything today, I used my setting powder to set the base first, my eyeshadow base first. So I'm first starting off with that brown from that V Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it on my eyelid, and I'm building it up. I then go in with that yellow, still from that same palette. After that, I'll go in with Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette and pick a yellow from that palette, then apply it on my eyelid. Then go back to the V Beauty palette, carry an orange and apply directly on the yellow. So to cut my crease, I'm using EYESHADOW Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. And my dear, this step wasn't easy, so take your time so that you will not ruin everything. And you should be generous with the concealer while doing this. I then use the first brown shade to clean any harsh lines that concealer may have caused. I then start off with that yellow from the Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette. I pack this on my lid area. Then go back to the V Beauty eyeshadow palette, then carry that orange and pat it close to the yellow. I then take red, still from that V Beauty eyeshadow palette, pat it into close to my lid area, close to my outer corner, Then I blend it all in. Then I went back to this glitter. You guys know I love glitter in my tear dot, close to my tear dot area. So I use it, tap it on my tear dot area. I still went back to the Morphe 35A eyeshadow palette and carry that orange lightly and yellow lightly, apply it to blend it all in. I then use the gel liner to draw my wing liner. I use a black gel to line my waterline. Then apply my eyelash glue. While the gel liner is drying up, I moisturize my face using the Nivea body cream. And guys, always moisturize before adding products. I then apply my eyelash using my hands. Since I don't have, my eyelash has gone to vacation. I prime my face using the Pond Lasting Oil Primer. For my foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I apply it using a damp beauty blender, and I'm just dabbing it into my skin so that it will give me a full coverage. So guys, dab, don't drag. Dab, 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 like tap, 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 tap. And don't forget to blend in the neck so that you will not look like two person, like your face is lighter than your body or vice versa. Blend it in. Makeup is even blending. Blend as much as you can. As you blend your eyeshadow, so blend your foundation. So I'm highlighting using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond, the one I've been using before. And I'm highlighting my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my cuticle. I blend it in with a damp beauty blender. And guys, don't drag this all over the place, just tap it where you apply. Tap, 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 so that your face will not look whiter than your body. Don't drag, tap it. To set my entire face and other good stuff, so I'll be using the Avour Professional Powder Palette. So I lost the clip that was setting my highlighted areas, so I'm now contouring using the Avour Professional Palette, and I'm doing this in a circular motion. So I'm like pushing it into my highlighted area so that it will look blended in. It won't look like two different, it won't look too harsh. I'm contouring my hairline too, so that it will not look like I'm wearing a mask. To contour my nose, I'm using a smaller brush. I then set all over my face using my setting powder. I use Classic Mist and Fix Setting Spray to set. Clip it today. I've forgotten the name of the lipstick I was using. I'll put it down in the description box. But I know I use a Tara cosmetic gloss to give it that glossy look. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from this video. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next video, much love.